So I'm about to take apart the vintage Vitas alarm clock. These are the nuts that hold the backing together. The alarm wind, which is on the left, you wind it counterclockwise, and to take that little pin / winder key, you have to turn it clockwise. Same with the wind. To wind the mainspring is turning left, and to take that little clock winder key, you turn clockwise. There we're going. And that's the Vitas 6373. To take off these small bolts, we're using the 5mm ratchet. So this is what budilnik is taken apart. The spring, the mainspring, the balance was here. And I just lifted the lid, and this is the location of all the gears. This is to turn the alarm off, and it was right there. See, this is where this wheel came from. So this is my first attempt to put this puppy back together. Last night, it wasn't really working for me. All the wheels and parts were just falling out of place. Long story short, I had to leave it. When you get frustrated, nothing's really happening when you're tired. So I had to leave it until today. And after spending maybe, I don't know, 30 minutes tinkering, putting in one wheel at a time, looks pretty good. Okay, let's see if this baby runs. So I forgot a very important thing. I forgot the pallet fork, which is located right there around the watch. So I forgot to install this little dinghy right now. So anyway, I reassembled it a little bit, assembled the budilnik / alarm clock again, and made sure that the balance wheel is straight up and down, and tighten everything up. The hairspring was kind of bent to begin with. I didn't bend it that way, but it's off. Anyways, we'll reassemble the whole watch together and see how it works. Very exciting. Great success of the first reassembly.